In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable the Reply All feature in Microsoft Outlook email. Now, this is a handy trick, especially if you're a frequent email user and want to prevent those dreaded Reply All mishaps in large group emails. Let's dive right into the steps you need to follow. First, you'll want to head over to the Microsoft Outlook website. Go ahead and open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Outlook homepage. If you're unfamiliar, Outlook is part of the Microsoft 365 suite, which offers a robust email and calendar service. Once you're there, you should see a Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. Click on this button to proceed. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and password to securely sign into your Outlook account. Make sure you're entering the correct information to avoid any issues accessing your account. After successfully logging in, you should find yourself on the main email dashboard where you can see your inbox and other email folders. Next, let's locate the settings. Look again to the top right corner of the page. There should be a small gear icon. This is your settings menu. Click on this to open a drop down of several customizable options to manage your email's appearance and behavior. Now, within these settings, find and select Compose and Reply from the menu. This option allows you to modify how your email composition behaves, including default type selections, font settings, and our focus for today, reply and forwarding preferences. Once in this section, scroll down just a little and you should come across the option relating to Reply or Reply All. At this point, you'll see a choice between Reply and Reply All for responses to emails. Click to select Reply. This will set the default action whenever you are sending a response to any received email. This means that instead of automatically replying to all the recipients in an email chain, you'll now just reply to the original sender. It's a small change, but it can significantly alter the flow of how you handle emails, simplifying conversations and avoiding those unnecessary inbox floods. Finally, and this is crucial, ensure you click the Save button. This will apply and retain your new settings. Without saving, the changes won't take effect, and you might accidentally revert to the default settings. Make sure you see a confirmation that your settings are saved, and just like that, you've disabled Reply All. By following these steps, you can now enjoy a more streamlined and focused email communication within Outlook. This helps manage the information flow more effectively and keeps your conversations direct and manageable. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other instructional videos for more useful tips.